What are the common road signs that are involved in these failure to yield accidents?
Oftentimes you're dealing with a turning left at an intersection on a green dot. Oftentimes you're dealing with an intersection that has two stop signs, but the cross traffic has the right of way. Oftentimes you see individuals fail to acknowledge that the cross traffic doesn't have to stop and will enter that intersection assuming that car will stop. That type of accident comes from that at-fault driver not being aware of their surroundings and not understanding the traffic laws. So oftentimes you see it at those types of intersections where it's not a four-way stop, but you have cross traffic that does not stop, or you see it at an intersection where traffic's turning left. You also see it pretty commonly with a sign that just says yield to oncoming traffic, right? It could very well be a merge, right? If you have to merge into traffic, whether it be your lane ending or whether it be you're coming off an exit ramp, it may be that you have an obligation to ensure that it's safe to do so before you join that flow of traffic. So we often see it in those situations too.